pretty muscular, yeah. I mean, you're gonna need a bigger tarp. That's Bill Benson.
Yeah, he'll be taking a picture to put on the internet.
Getting everybody's way.
No,
He used
not
to go to church with us. There's. Oh no, we just fixed that. I'm gonna have to fix it again. That's a lot of oil.
You're gonna
in the
have to
ditch.
fix that?
Yes, me and Grandpa just fixed that stupid hanger.
It's okay, Eli.
Hate that thing. You gotta.
There's one hanger gone.
Oh no.
Oh, that J3 Cub. It's a flat. There's a RV that's now sticking out of the side of that.
Yeah, Mom was telling me that's Steve Sings, I think. Mom was saying.
That is a very flat J3 Cub, and that's a very flat, nice car. There's a
Mustang.
Yeah, I couldn't see it very well, but yeah.
Oh my goodness.
November 650. Delta Foxtrot.
Yeah. That's not good.
There might have been a tornado around here.
I wonder how Grandpa
It's gonna feel about this.
Well,
first day back.
yeah. First day back to work.
How is that airplane still there?
Yeah.
There's a few. There's one.
I think on down the
Wonder if it
ramp,
was like,
there's
oh, the
two
OTC
that are
building's
flipped.
dead.
Yeah, it took.
I bet that airplane was like a kite. It was just kind of hovering above the ground. Oh, the P-51's dead.
Yeah.
Oh no,
They
the whole
just
building
killed
is
that.
just done. Whoa.
They just fixed that.
Oh my goodness. There's the
That
roof from
OTC
the
building,
OTC
they just
building.
finished it.
There's two
There's
planes
two
upside down. right
upside down
there.
airplanes. Right?
Right
Did
there.
you not see the
Oh yeah, right there.
the workshop hangars appears to be missing some pieces. Yeah, the roof's all peeled. There's a lot of
Is that,
insulation.
Van
That's the new one. That place is cool. Oh, that church's sign is flat.
All their power poles are down.
Yay.
Here's where the new hangars are supposed to go.
The old.
Yeah, they're the new old hangars. Van
the
Stabbers
front
appears
end of
to
the
have
church over there is down.
No,
no insulation
There's
anymore.
people crossing the road.
Oh, Van Stabbers is currently inside of the Dollar General because the Dollar General is missing the front.
Oh no.
It's a concrete shop.
Oh, look at the side of Van Staverns. Oh.
That's the newest and nicest hangar that.
Look at that.
Look at
Roof
SMC.
of the.
The
Oh,
career
it's-
center. Oh,
Oh,